Hi students, good morning. Okay, today yesterday class, previous class, we have discussed parametric equation, definition of parametric equation, how to find different derivative of parametric equations. Okay, we have practiced some problems yesterday. Today, in exercise 5.6, second question, x is equal to a cos theta, y equal to b cos theta. Then find dy by dx. Then dy by dx. X equal to a cos theta. Apply differentiation with respect of theta. Dx by d theta equal to d by d theta into a cos theta. A is constant. Cos theta differentiation is minus sin theta. So which is equal to minus a sin theta. Y equal to b cos theta. Dy by d theta equal to d by d theta into b cos theta. B is constant. Cos theta differentiation is minus sin theta, where theta derivative with respect of theta is 1. Now we want dy by dx. Dy by dx equal to dy by d theta by dx by d theta. Dy by d theta is minus b sin theta. Dx by d theta is minus a sin theta. Get cancelled. Answer is b by a. Next, third question. If x is equal to sin t, x is equal to sin t, comma y equal to cos 2t, then find dy by dx. Dy by dx. X equal to sin t, dx by dt equal to d by dt of sin t. D by dt of sin t. Sin t differentiation is cos t. T differentiation with respect of t is 1. Next, this is dx by dt. Next, y equal to cos 2t. dy by dt equal to d by dt of cos 2t. Cos x differentiation is minus sin 2t into d by dt of 2t, because 2t we have considered as x. That will again differentiation. So minus sin 2t into 2t differentiation with respect of t is 2. T differentiation with respect of t is 1. Yes, which is equal to minus 2 sin 2t. This is dy by dt. Then dy by dx equal to dy by dt by dx by dt. Dy by dt minus 2 sin 2t by dx by dt cos t. So minus 2 sin 2t formula 2 sin t into cos t by cos t. This get cancelled, which is equal to minus 4 sin t. Minus 4 sin t. Fourth question. X equal to 4t, y equal to 4 by d. X equal to 4t, y equal to 4 by d. Here t is variable. So first you should find differentiation with respect of t. dx by dt equal to d by dt into 4t. 4 t differentiation with respect of t is 1. Next, y equal to 4 by d. dy by dt equal to d by dt of 4 by d. 4 take out d by dt of 1 by d. 4 into 1 by d differentiation minus 1 by d square. Into t differentiation with respect of t is 1. So minus 4 by d. So dy by dx equal to dy by dt by dx by dt minus 4 by t square by 4 get cancelled minus 1 by t square. Next, question number 5. X equals cos theta minus cos 2 theta. Y equals sin theta minus sin 2 theta. Then find dy by dx. Here theta is parameter. First dx by d theta equal to d by d theta of cos theta minus cos 2 theta. Yes? By splitting here, d by d theta of cos theta minus d by d theta of cos 2 theta. Cos theta differentiation is minus sin theta, theta derivative with respect of theta is 1, minus cos 2 theta, cos theta differentiation minus sin 2 theta into d by d theta of 2 theta, because 2 theta we are considered as x, minus sin theta minus plus sin 2 theta into 2 theta derivative with respect of theta is 1. So 2. This is 2 sin dx by dt. Next, y equal to sin theta minus sin 2 theta. dy by d theta equal to d by d theta of sin theta minus d by d theta of sin 2 theta. Right? Sin theta differentiation is cos theta minus sin 2 theta differentiation is cos 2 theta into d by d theta of 2 theta. Cos theta minus cos 2 theta into 2 theta derivative with respect of theta is 1. So 2. So which is equal to cos theta minus 2 cos 2 theta. This is dy by d theta. Now let's find dy by dx. dy by dx equal to dy by dt by dx by dt. We'll get the value. Now dy by dx equal to dy by d theta by dx by dt equal to dy by d theta, this is cos theta minus 2 cos 2 theta, right? Dx by d theta here plus 2 sin 2 theta minus sin theta. This is question number 6. X is equal to a into theta minus sin theta. Y equal to a into 1 plus cos theta. This is important. The theta is parameter. Dx by d theta equal to a constant d by d theta of theta minus sin theta. A into d by d theta of theta minus d by d theta of sin theta. A into theta derivative with respect of theta is 1 and sin theta derivative with respect of theta is cos theta. This is dx by d theta. Next, y equal to a into 1 plus cos theta. dy by d theta equal to a constant d by d theta of 1 plus cos theta. A into d by d theta of 1 plus d by d theta of cos theta. A into derivative of 1 is j plus cos theta derivative is minus sin theta, which is equal to minus a sin theta. This is dy by d theta. Now dy by dx equal to dy by d theta by dx by dt. dy by d theta is minus a sin theta. Dx by d theta is a into 1 minus cos theta. Yes, we can simplify also. dy by dx equal to a gets cancelled minus sin theta of angle formula 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. Sin theta of angle 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. 1 minus cos theta equal to of angle formula 2 sin square theta by 2. Understood? Most important, 1 minus cos 2 theta equal to 2 sin square theta. If you don't know, I will write formula here. 1 minus cos 2 theta equal to 2 sin square theta. 1 minus cos theta equal to 2 sin square theta by 2. Similarly, 1 plus cos 2 theta equal to 2 cos square theta. 1 plus cos theta equal to 2 cos square theta by 2. Then dy by dx equal to, get cancelled, sin theta by 2 square cancel, minus cos theta by 2 by sin theta by 2, which is equal to minus cot theta by 2. Yes. X equals sin cube t by root of cos 2t, comma y equal to cos cube t by root of cos 2t. Then find dy by dx. This is a parametric equation where t is parameter. T is parameter. See, x is equal. First, let's find the differentiation with respect of theta. D by d theta into sin cube t by root of cos 2t. This is u by v method. What is the formula u by v? U by v whole dash equal to v u dash minus u v dash by v square. Now v root of cos 2 theta whole square, v square, v root of cos 2 theta into d by d theta of sin cube t minus u sin cube t into d by d theta of v root of cos 2t. Root of cos 2t into sin cube t differentiation. Sin cube means it looks like x. X cube differentiation 3x square. Sin t considered as x. X cube differentiation 3x means sin t whole square into what you have considered as x, that again after differentiation, d by dt of sin t. Understood? Minus sin cube t. This is the form of root x. Cos 2t considered as x. Root x differentiation is 1 by 2 root of cos 2t into d by dt of, you have considered as this one as x, that one again differentiation cos 2t by cos 2t. Square root cancel. Next, dy by dx equal to root cos 2t 3, I am writing here, into sin square t. Sin square t. Sin t differentiation with respect of t is cos t. Cos t. Minus sin cube t divided by 2 root of cos 2t into cos 2t differentiation is minus sin 2t into 2t differentiation with respect of t is 2 into 2. This get cancelled. Whole divided by cos 2t. LCM root cos 2t. Here LCM root cos 2t. Root cos 2t into root cos 2t. Root cos 2t get cancelled. 3 cos 2t. into sin square t into cos t minus plus sin cube t into sin 2t. Okay, this comes down cos 2t, right? 3 into cos 2 theta formula in terms of sin 1 minus 2 sin square t, okay, into sin square t into cos t plus sin cube t into sin 2t formula 2 sin t into cos t by root of cos 2t into cos 2t. Next, by multiplying here 3 into 1 3 minus 3 into 2 6, 3 into 1 3 into this sin square t into cos t. This minus 3 into 2 6 sin square t sin power 40 into cos t, right? Plus 2 sin cube into sin t sin power 40 into cos t by root cos 2t into cos 2t. Here 3 sin square t cos t dx by dt equal to 3 sin square t into cos t minus 6 sin power 40 cos t plus 2 sin power 40 cos t minus 6 plus 2 plus minus 4 sin power 40 into cos t whole divided by root cos 2t into cos 2t. This is dx by dt by dt dy by dt equal to d by dt of cos cube t by root of cos 2t. See, this answer we can guess easily because we got dx by dt. They here sin cos from here, cos from here. Only here you will get sin plus cos will get. What answer is? You can guess 3 cos square t sin t minus 4 cos power 40 sin and cos replace it, interchange. Then denominator same will get. Here no sign. Denominator will get same because denominator same is good. Only numerator is interchanges. Denominator will get same thing. So we can write direct also. Are you following? What is the answer? Can you expect this? The way of expecting this, sin became a cos. Only numerator, denominator. Then you can write direct also. So let's see what I said answer whether is correct or not by solving u by v. Okay, see u by v whole dash root cos qt whole square v square v root of cos qt into d by dt of cos cube t minus cos cube t into d by dt of root cos cube t. Root of cos 2t into cos cube t differentiation 3 cos square t into d by dt of cos t minus cos cube t into root cos 2t differentiation 1 by 2 root of cos 2t into d by dt of cos 2t whole divided by cos 2t square root cancel. Next, root of cos 2t into 3 cos square t into d by dt of cos t is minus sin t minus cos cube t by root of 2 root of cos 2t into cos 2t differentiation minus sin 2t into 2t differentiation is 2 by cos 2t. This get cancelled. What is the LCM here? Root cos 2t dy by dt equal to root cos 2t LCM. Root cos 2t is cos 2t. 3 cos 2t into cos square t into minus sin t minus plus 2 get cancelled here, cos cube t into 2 sin t cos t, sin 2t later sin 2t by cos 2t. This is now minus 3 cos 2t the formula 2 cos square t minus 1 cos square t sin t plus sin 2 cos cube t sin 2 formula 2t formula 2 sin t into cos t whole divided by root of cos 2t into cos 2t. Now which is equal minus 3 into 2 6 cos square t into cos square t cos power 4t into 7t minus plus 3 cos square t into sin t plus 2 cos power 4t into sin t whole divided by root of cos 2t into cos 2t. dy by dt equal to minus 6 cos power 4t sin t plus 2 cos power 4t sin t equal to minus 4 cos power 4t sin t plus 3 cos square t sin t by root of cos 2t into cos 2t. Check it. What I said? 3. Sin became cos square t. Cos became sin t. Next minus 4. Sin became cos 4t. And cos became sin. Denominator same. Okay. After getting this, just sin replaced by cos. Cos replaced by sin. The numerator. You will get this answer. Okay. You can verify also whether it is correct or not. Okay. So we got this one. Now let's find dy by dx. dy by dx equal to dy by dt by dx by dt. Right? When you divide by this and this, the denominator get cancelled. This and this get cancelled. So we get numerator 3 cos square t into sin t minus 4 cos power 4t sin t whole divided by denominator dx by dt 3 sin square t into cos t minus 4 sin power 4t into cos t. Now 3 sin t into cos t take common. 3 sin t into cos t take common. Remain here. Sin t cos t take common. We get 3 cos t minus sin t common. Cos t common remain 4 cos cube t. Denominator sin t cos t take common. We get 3 sin t minus 4 sin cube t. This get cancelled. 3 cos t minus 4 cos cube t equal to cos 3 theta. 3 sin t minus 4 cos theta equal to 4 sin theta equal to 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. Cos theta equal to 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. So we should take minus common. So which is equal to minus cos 3t by sin 3t. So which is equal to minus cot 3. This is the answer. X is equal to a cos t plus log of tan t by 2. Y equal to a sin t. And find the variables. Dx by dt equal to a into d by dt of cos t plus d by dt of log of tan t by 2. A cos t differentiation is minus sin t plus log x differentiation 1 by tan t by 2 into d by dt of tan t by 2. Because this is considered as x. A minus sin theta sin t by 1 by tan t by 2. Tan t by differentiation secant square t by 2 into t by 2 differentiation is 1 by 2. Now a minus sin t plus this is 1 by sin theta by 2 by cos theta by 2. Next 1 by cos square t by 2. This is into 1 by 2. This get cancelled square. So a minus sin t plus 1 by 2 sin t by 2 into cos t by 2. 2 sin t by 2 cos t by 2 equal to sin 2 minus sin t plus 1 by sin t. 1 by sin t. Dx by dt equal to LCM sin t